In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up free email in Hostinger 2026. Create free business email in Hostinger. We'll walk through creating a free business mailbox in your Hostinger account, set a secure password, and open it in webmail so you can start sending and receiving messages right away. First, sign in to your Hostinger control panel. On the left-hand menu, select Emails. You'll see the email section grouped by the domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to use for your business address and click Manage. This takes you into the email settings for that domain. On the left, open Mailboxes. Here's where you create and manage individual accounts. Click Create a Mailbox. In the mailbox name field, type the part that will appear before the @ symbol. For example, you might use team if this address will be shared by your staff. Hostinger will attach your chosen domain automatically to form the full business address. Next, set a strong password for this mailbox. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Save this somewhere secure so your team can access it later if needed. When you're ready, click Create. Hostinger will provision the mailbox, and within a moment, you should see a confirmation that it was created successfully. To open the inbox, go back to the mailboxes page. If you're not already there, you'll see the new address listed. Click Webmail next to it. Enter the password you just set and choose Log In. You'll land right in the inbox of your brand new business email, ready to compose, receive, and organize messages. If you don't see emails arrive immediately, give it a minute while the mailbox finishes syncing. Inside Webmail, you can create folders, set a signature, and try sending a test message to confirm everything works. You can also adjust simple settings like display preferences and notification options to match your workflow. If you're making this for a team, share the login details securely with the right people, and consider updating the password policy later for added security. And remember, you can always return to the mailboxes section to add more addresses for different roles like support or billing using the exact same process. And that's it. You've set up a free Hostinger business email and accessed it through webmail. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials.